I know you are trying to find out what StakeCut is, what it does, how what actually the platform has to offer, and how you can actually make money from this particular platform called StakeCut. So in this video, I'll be walking you through a thorough step-by-step review of what StakeCut is, how you can make money from StakeCut, and how you can promote good product from StakeCut. And I also log into my account so that you can take a look at how the dashboard is, what the product they offer, and every other stuff that you need to know. So in this video, if this is what you want to know, how StakeCut is, and know the review, know how you can actually make money from the platform. So I welcome you to this video because I'll be walking through how you can do all of these things and know all about StakeCut. So you can see that this is StakeCut website that you can just type in on StakeCut, you go directly to the website, or you can just simply click on the link at the description of this video and you are going to go to StakeCut dashboard website. You can see on the screen right now that this is StakeCut, Africa #1 and influencer platform. You can see that actually I'm a member of this platform. I've earned some good little figure from this platform, and so many other people has also make money from this particular platform, which I believe that if you can jump in, you can also make something from it for yourself. So you can see that this is StakeCut platform. You can see how the platform is share a product and get paid. And the cool thing is that you can also become a vendor on this particular platform for free. Why I like StakeCut so much to other affiliate marketing platforms that we have in Nigeria, like ProN, Digistem, and so many of them, is that StakeCut you can become a vendor completely free. You don't need to pay money. All you just need to do is to list your product, and your product will be listed on StakeCut marketplace. But like other marketplaces, where some of them you have to pay 25k, 10k, 20k, and the rest of all that, and the end of the day you may end up not making sales. Are you getting me? So but on StakeCut, it's just like texting stuff. You text your product, whether your product is going to sell in your marketplace, and know if you can go ahead to list it in other marketplaces. But on StakeCut, you list your product completely free. So you can see right here on the screen, share a product, get paid. No waiting, no first deal, just share a product, and if someone buys, you earn easy money straight from your social field. That is just how it does it. So you list your product and you get paid from it. You get paid from it, and you can see it works in 3 simple steps. It works in 3 simple steps. That is how it works. Number 1 step is that you have to sign up, which I'll be showing you to walk you step by step how you can actually sign up on the account. And you can see on the screen right here, it's quick, easy, and 100% free. No fee, no strain, just a golden opportunity to start earning. That is just the simple truth. There is no hidden secret behind the fence that maybe if you click on sign up, they're going to ask you for your card or to pay in. No, nothing like that. Unlike other platform, some of them you are going to pay 5k, some 10k just to sign up, and at the end of the day you may even end up not making any single sales. And the thing is that all those money are going to pay to sign up, 10k, 20k, 5k, it is annually, which means once you sign up as an affiliate and at the end of 12 months you did not able to make any sales, you are going to pay another one to renew your account, or without that you're going to delete your account. But on StakeCut, there is nothing like that. So the 3 steps they have here is to sign up and pick a product. You pick a product, you choose from over 100 plus or selling products. There's something for every niche. So whatever niche you are into, whether you're into fashion niche, digital marketing niche, you want to sell physical product or digital product, there are products so many that you can currently promote on StakeCut, and all of these products are all selling products that you can sell to your audience. No matter your niche, you can sell any of StakeCut product. And look at the amazing one, you share, you earn. For every effort there is a reward. So the purpose of promoting product is for you to earn money. So what you need to do is that after you sign up, you pick a product, the next thing is to share it. You share your product link and earn. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your product link. So what you need to do, you post your link anywhere, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, and pocket a commission with every sales. And because the cool thing about StakeCut is that you can make these sales, and the amazing thing is that you can earn 50 to 70% commission, and you can earn 60%. So it all depends on the vendor and the commission is offering to his product. So these are just a good simple 3 steps that you can take to sign up an account on StakeCut, and you get started straight away. And the cool thing is that they pay weekly. As you can see, paid weekly, cash out every week. And like and like unlock work. So the good thing is about StakeCut, you don't need to wait at the end of the month, at the end of 30 days, or at the end of 2 weeks to get paid. You get your commission once every week, and StakeCut pay basically every Monday. Every Monday you receive your affiliate commission. Even if you're a vendor, you receive your affiliate your payment for your course every Monday. You get paid directly into your bank account. And the amazing thing why I love StakeCut so much is that you don't even need to request for withdrawal. If you have any sales, even if it is one single sale, StakeCut is going to pay you every single Monday, because that is how the system is structured. Not that you are going to request for a withdrawal before you can get paid. Once you make one single sale, StakeCut is going to definitely pay you your money into your bank account. And now look at why StakeCut. Why does people talk about StakeCut? Why am I basically talking about StakeCut? Why am I sharing StakeCut with you? You want to ask, why am I sharing StakeCut with you? Let me clear this is not a paid review. StakeCut did not pay me to make this review. I'm making this review because I find interest in it, and it's something that I discovered that is going to help you if you are looking for a platform like this to make money for yourself, whether you're in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, in South Africa, or you're in Kenya. This particular platform, StakeCut, is one of the platforms that is basically going to help you to make a lot of money for yourself. So I'm reviewing it based on the interest I have for it and the love I have for the platform, because he has paid a lot of people. If you go to X, that is Twitter, you check about StakeCut, you're going to see a lot of payments. So time will not permit us to do all of that. If you know, I could have checked him, I could have logged into X, which is Twitter, to show you a lot of payment from StakeCut. So basically, why StakeCut? You can see, number one, you earn every time the buyer they buy. No big following needed. You can even say using your WhatsApp status, you can say using your Facebook, you can say using your TikTok. And look at another one, no investing, no hassles. We handle shipping and delivery. You don't need to bother yourself as an affiliate. All you need to do, make sales and get your money. Nothing concern you about the delivery, nothing concern you about customer support, nothing concern you if the course creator actually follow up. Your own business is make sales and get your money straightforward. And look at it, number 3, high commission. You earn up to 50%. They just put it 50% here. There are some courses that on StakeCut that you can earn 61%, 60%, 70% commission. That is just the amazing thing about it. And you can see another one, there is no restriction. I am not in Nigeria, how will I be able to make commission? How will I be able to withdraw my money? Okay, or I have someone in Ghana, I have someone in Kenya, I have someone that want to pay with other currency. Can they be able to purchase this course? Yes, they can purchase this course. You can see multiple currencies. You can see Nigeria, USD, and all that one. You see Ghana and more, and every include them. There are so many payment methods that is included on StakeCut. So if you have someone, customer or student or anybody that you want to recommend a course or a product that is not in Nigeria, is in Ghana, is in South Africa, is in whichever country that has to do with any other currency, you can use StakeCut to promote those courses and you get your payments. So you can see that just getting started, StakeCut University teaches you how to do so many things. This one, they recently launched this one. The vendor, the owner of this StakeCut recently he recently included this particular one. Recently, you can see you can grow your following, and you can see you can create a post that boosts sales and earn steady, and even as a beginner. So the thing they're doing right here is that the way they're doing it right now is that you need to grow your follower. You set to them, you create posts, you make sales, and there are particular numbers of sales. It's just like a sales challenge that currently running on StakeCut. So when you have a particular numbers of sales that you're going to make, and when you make those sales, they're going to reward you. Not just reward you, you earn your stable commission. They will reward you, and also they will give you money to run a paid ad. They will sponsor your paid ad for you. If you are making a lot of sales, they will sponsor a paid ad for you. So that is all about that. And you can see so many people who are getting results using StakeCut. You see so many people who are getting results using StakeCut. This one is Accra, Ghana. You see this one Port Harcourt. This one Kenya. You see this one Lagos, and so many of them. So many people are using this particular platform StakeCut to make a lot of money for themselves. And like I told you, that it's completely free to sign up. Like I said this particular review I'm making is not a paid review. I'm just doing for the love I have for the platform, and I want to show you that you can also make money using this platform despite that it's free to sign up. Are you getting me? So that is the purpose why I'm making this review. You can see ready to start earning today. You don't need to stroll, just monetize your influence now. Sign up for free and watch your earning soar, or watch your earning soar, watch your earning grow. So that is basically what StakeCut can do for you, and you sign up completely free. You see the frequent asked question they have on the platform. You see the questions they have on the platform. Let's check each one after the other. So you can see this one. How do I earn? How do I earn on StakeCut? How do you earn on StakeCut? You can see every time someone make a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. That is a simple turn click into cash effectively. And what is the cost to join? What is the cost to join StakeCut? Like I said, it's completely free. It's absolutely free. No hidden fee, no upfront payment. Your success start at zero cost. So you can just go through this frequent asked question and see all of it about StakeCut. So it's completely free to sign up, not like other platforms that you have to pay before you can get started. So you can just go through all of these, like on mission 100. You can check about this, the mission 100, like what I explained to you initially, that they are rewarding people to run a paid ad. The sponsor is just like a sales challenge. That is what they are doing right here, and they have top marketers who are handling this training for you. It's just like a training. You get in, they will choose you. They will be the one that will choose you. Then once you're able to win, they will train you all how to make a lot of sales from the platform. So that is basically what they does with this 100 mission, and you see brand and all of that. But I want to log in straight to my account so that you can see how you can do it. So you can just simply just create on sign up an account to sign up an account. But here I want to sign up to my account and show you the little money I've earned from this particular platform, and to tell you that this platform is real, is what you can do, and is what anybody can do and make a lot of money for yourself. And the cool thing is that they have free training, unlike other platforms which all this training you are going to pay. You can see your practical guide to earn 1 million on StakeCut. This is a training video that StakeCut give you access completely free. You are not paying for it. This is just a walkthrough on how to become a millionaire using StakeCut platform. But I'm not going to play this video. I'm going to skip it because of time. Not just skip it. You can just go on your own time to watch it and go through it and see how it is. You can see currently this is my dashboard. Good evening, Osakwe. You can see that I've earned a little money from this particular platform. You can see $18.585 here that I've earned, and the number of sales I made is just 3 sales. I'm not even serious on the platform, but you can see that I've been able to make a little something from this platform, which if you take it very serious, I'm sure you're going to make a lot of money for yourself from this platform. And the cool thing, if you counter any problem, any issue, even as a free member on this platform promoting courses, you can just straight hit their support button and send them a message, and you see straightforward they're going to reply you and fix whatever challenges you are facing. So I will walk you through the marketplace and show you 1 or 2 products that are currently selling on this platform, which you can promote completely free without paying a dime to promote them. Now let me quickly walk you through on the kind of product they have on StakeCut. So you can just go straight to the marketplace. You can just go straight to the marketplace. You can see here's the marketplace. You can just go straight, click on marketplace. You are going to see a hot product that you can promote. You can see top 3 products of the day. You can see the beginner athlete guide and 7k AMDIP and athlete and all of that. So there are so many products in this platform StakeCut that you can basically promote all for free. You are not paying, and to sign up as an to promote any of these products is completely very simple. All you just need to do, you come down to where it says promote. You click on promote. You click on promote. You are going to see the JV page where you are going to get all the promotional material, payment page, and sales page. And you can see this product that the commission is 64%. Like what I was telling you, 64% is what you are going to earn from here. and you can see your affiliate link right here. You can see your affiliate link. You can see this is your affiliate link. Copy your affiliate link. All you need to do, come down here, copy. You see I've copied my affiliate link. If I want to promote this product, very simple and straightforward. So if you gain value from this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, and if you have subscribed and you're watching this video, thank you for always watching my content. And if you gain value from this video so far, don't forget also to share this video with your friends on social media, on any other social media platform, so that they can also learn and make money using StakeCut platform, just as you are learning all of this for my channel completely free. So guys, I will see you again on our next video. See you and stay safe. Keep winning is very, very important.